Are you tired of ruining delicious home prepared meals because you forgot to take them out of the oven? Would you like to finally enjoy cooking without having to physically count every single minute? If so, we have the answer. Introducing the digital timer sets. Each set comes with the following features: count down and count up functionality. This premium quality digital kitchen timer has the capacity of counting up or down into 99 minutes and 59 seconds, making it the ideal kitchen tool for measuring cooking time. A powerful sound alarm. Each timer comes equipped with a built-in sound alarm that is loud and clear and perfect for letting you know when your cooking time is up. Multi-purpose and classroom tool. Whether you need a simple way of tracking your boiling pots, a workout timer, or a game chronometer for fun evenings, this multifunctional digital timer is always useful. If it's versatility that you're after, we have you covered. Our amazing digital timer comes in the following 5 unique bundle sets: our 4-piece set, our 6-piece set, our 10-piece set, our 12-piece set, and last but not least, our 24-piece set. Now that you know just how awesome this product can make your next cooking experience, why not order your set right now on Amazon?